Hello, guys. Welcome to the Shankari. This is where we discuss herbs and spices for healthy living. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to give me thumbs up and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss anything in this channel. There are lots and lots to gain in this channel. So, my returning viewer, thank you very much. I love you all. Thank you for making this channel your channel. You will never be disappointed here. Okay, today we are going to be preparing a natural bomb to clean the liver and also to improve blood flow and circulation. This natural recipe is also capable of reducing blood pressure. Okay, so these are the recipe we have here. Number one is beetroot. Okay, this is beetroot. All right, then we have one carrot and also one turmeric and one ginger. So I also have here mint leaf. Okay, this is mint leaf, right? This dried one, although so if you have fresh one, you can also use it. Okay, so this recipe is also capable when you take it as a man. Your madam will not be able to sleep at night because the small oga is going to be on duty throughout the night. Okay, so let's go straight to the preparation. Thank you. Okay, this is big truth. So we are going to be peeling it. All the items you are seeing here, they have been carefully washed. So make sure you wash yours thoroughly. Okay. So you pack everything carefully into the blender. Okay. The next thing is the carrots. Okay. So just chop it into little pieces as well. Also add the carrots into the blender because we are going to blend everything together. Okay. Just watch carefully. So now this is the ginger. You will notice that I did not peel my ginger, so don't peel it. Okay, just wash it thoroughly. Make sure you remove the sand. Okay. This is turmeric. Okay, just one turmeric. This one too is not being peeled, so just wash it thoroughly as well and then use it that way. Okay, the last but not the least is this leaf. This is mint leaf. Okay, mint leaf, so we add it to it as well, and after that we'll add a glass of water, okay, to enable us blend it. All right, so let's move straight to the blending. Okay. All right, so after blending, so the next thing is to carefully sieve it into a cup. Okay, that is to separate the chaff. All right, so this is it. This is it. This natural drink can actually clean your liver within 3 days. It can improve your blood flow and circulation as well. So do not forget, if you drink this as a man, your small oga is going to be on duty overnight. That is to say, madam will not sleep. So this drink is actually good for everyone, okay? If you notice, all what we use here, they are all natural. They are natural fruits, natural spices, they are food, you know. So go and try it out today. You will definitely come back for your testimony. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you in my next video.